Dear all students, now we discuss the Gauss Divergence Theorem. What is Gauss Divergence Theorem? Here, left hand side will be surface area, right hand side will be volume of the triple integral. So, f vector dot n cap ds. Here, triple integral delta dot f vector into dv. Here, v is the volume of the triple integral. Here, s is the surface of the given function. We have to find out. So, here delta you know the delta dot f vector. This is what actually divergence of the f vector. We have to find out on the right hand side. But left hand side, you have to find out the surface of the given cube or cuboid like that. You have to finding the surface area. Here you have to find out the volume of the given vector function. If you want to prove now, you have to LHS equal to RHS. The given function will be given. So the problem will be, so this is a problem. We have to now discuss the problems. The problem will be verify Gauss Divergence Theorem. Verify Gauss Divergence Theorem for f vector equal to x square I vector plus z j vector plus y z k vector. So this is a given function. It will be lies along the over the cube. It will be lies where? Over the cube. What is meaning of cube? The 6 sides. You have the 6 sides. You know the cubic size. You have to have the over the cube will be given formed by x equal to plus or minus 1, then y equal to plus or minus 1, and z is equal to plus or minus 1. So we have to find out the surface area in the over the cube. We have to verify the Gauss divergence theorem over a cube formed by the line. Which of the line x equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to plus or minus 1, z is equal to plus or minus 1. Now we have to verify the Gauss divergence theorem. So this is our theorem, you know, verify. LHS will be surface area, right hand side will be volume. So I can just write down the statement of the Gauss divergence theorem. I can shortly GDT, Gauss divergence theorem. What is the theorem here? Double integral S f vector dot n cap into ds. Here triple integral v delta dot f vector into dv. Now I can just find out the RHS of the given function because f is a given. What is f here? X square I plus zj plus yz k vector. I can just find out the RHS of the given function. What is RHS here? Here RHS will be triple integral delta dot f vector into dv. So here I take the cubic side. So cubic now you have to take the length, breadth, height. For example, I can just draw the picture. So this is a cube. We have to draw the cube. So totally here I take the x axis will be length, y axis will be breadth, z axis will be height, length into breadth into height. So this will be, x will be what? So here volume will be defined as the dv. So volume will be defined as a dx, dy, dz. So x is the length, y is the breadth, and z is the height of the volume of the cube. So here given, I can give any name. For example, I can, this is a A, B, and then C, this is a D. So this is a E, this is a F, and then this is a G, then H. So I can just verify. So here how many surface? Here totally 6 surface. Okay. Now we can just find out the RHS for only the volume of the capacity. Volume will be length, breadth, and height. So here dv I can just represent by the triple integral delta dot f vector. What is a dv? So here length, breadth, height. I can just differentiate. This will be dx, dy, and then ds. So here dx I have to apply the x limit. What is x limit is given? X equal to plus or minus 1. I can just substitute minus 1 to plus 1. What is the y limit here? Y limit will be y equal to plus or minus 1. I can just, this is the lower limit will be minus 1, upper limit will be plus 1. Then next, what is the limit? Plus or minus 1. So this is the lower limit will be minus 1, upper limit will be plus 1. I can just find out the delta dot f vector. What is the delta dot f vector? You know the f vector. I just find out the delta dot f vector. So here given f vector is given. What is f vector here? So f vector equal to here x square I vector plus z j vector plus yz k vector. So what is the delta dot f vector? We have to differentiate with respect to x. So here 2x plus differential with respect to y, this will be 0. So differential with respect to z, we get only y. So what you get finally delta dot f vector is 2x plus y. So this is a delta dot f vector. I can just substitute here. So here, what is the limit here? Minus 1 to plus 1. So here triple integral minus 1 to plus 1. Here is also minus 1 to plus 1. Here is also minus 1 to plus 1. What is the delta dot f vector? Get it 2x plus y. Just substitute here 2x plus y into dx, dy, dz. I can integrate first with respect to x, then y, then z. So what integrate with respect to x first? Minus 1 to 1. Here is a minus 1 to 1. So this will be what? 2 x square by 2 plus y into x will be yx. What is the limit here? 2 to get cancelled. Minus 1 to plus 1. Here dy and then dz. Just substitute the limits. What is the limit here? Here minus 1 to plus 1. Here is also minus 1 to plus 1. So here 1 square. 1 plus, what about this thing? Y. 1 plus y. Because y into yx will be 1. So upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit here will be? Here minus 1 the whole square. What is the minus 1 the whole square? There is also again 1. So you can just substitute here. Here x is a minus 1. We get the minus y. So into dy into dz. So what about to get it here? So minus y here, the upper limit. So this is the lower limit. Minus 1 the square will be plus 1. So here apply here minus 1. So minus 1 into y will be minus y. So you can just add it. So here minus 1 to plus 1. Here is also minus 1 to plus 1. Here 1 1 get cancelled. Okay, 1 1 get cancelled. Here minus minus y plus y. So 1 y plus y will be get the only 2y. So here dy into dz. Now I can again integrate with respect to y. So you have to integrate with respect to y now. So what you get now here? Here is also minus 1 to 1. So here 2y will be what? 2y square by 2. Okay. So what about the limit here? Minus 1 to plus 1. Here is also dz. So 2 to get cancelled. So I can now just substitute the upper limit. What about upper limit here? 1 square. So what about getting here? Here minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. So 1 square. 1 square minus again 1 square. Minus 1 also again 1 square. We get the 0 into dz. So this will be 0 and automatically the whole term will be, answer will be 0. So what you get the final in the RHS? Answer will be 0. Now I can prove by the LHS. What is LHS here? LHS will be surface area. So in the given diagram I can draw the 6 surface and I can add, can get the this answer. Answer will be, so our LHS answer will be only 0. Next I can find out the RHS value.